So here's how the stock tips used to look. Get those out of here. I hope y'all having a great weekend as I am. I forgot to do this little video. I got these tips here. The stock ones replaced a couple weeks ago, and this for all the groups on Facebook, my RDX mod groups and all that on Facebook and all that different groups I'm a part of. But I took these off because I'm a different type of guy. I'll explain that here shortly. I don't ever want to be like anybody. I don't want to be like anybody else. I want to be myself. When I invest in a vehicle or anything else, I'm gonna mod it up the way I want it to, and that's just the way it is. So I wanted to fill in these little gaps back here on the rear end, the rear fascia. So I wind up going to an exhaust shop, and the guy was like, "Oh, I don't have any tips that'll fit." I was like, "Okay." So he told me to go online. Of course, I was anxious to get it done that day, last couple Saturdays ago. And what happened was, I went to all the AutoZone's parts houses around here, O'Reilly's, Advanced. I went to everyone in town, and they didn't have any that were the size I was looking for. They were like 2-inch, 2.5. And so I went online and I found these, and I just wanted to see how y'all like them. These are 5-inch tips on my RDX. I got them offline. I'll try to get the information on them. Can't remember exactly where they came from. Here's the sticker, but they are 2 1/4 inlet, 5-inch outlet. So how do y'all think that looks on the back here? Did that really fit? I think they did. It looks really good from different angles and stuff. They did it perfect. So what happened, I dropped my car off during the week a couple weeks ago, and I left it at exhaust shop. They fixed it up. It didn't cost me much to put them on, and they did a perfect. I think they did it perfect. What y'all think? So not only do I do car reviews, I do car mods, car shows. Y'all check out my channel. Please subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. And then of course I got some wheels put on here with the stock tires from Champion Auto. I bought them from one of my host dealerships. They had them back in their shop, and I said, you know, I'll take those off your hand. You know, painted the red calibers. Just a couple little mods I've done to mine, and I'm gonna give y'all a cold start here in a little bit. Y'all hang tight. So here we go. Yes, sir. Of course, I've done other mods to my Acura as well with the exhaust, but I just wanted y'all to check these out. And like I said, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and we'll go from there. Let it rev down a little bit, y'all hear the turbo. Yes, sir. That's what the sound I was looking for on my keyword, my RDX. Not yours, not theirs, not them's, but mine. So yeah, this little mod that I did to mine, I wanted to fill up that little gap in the back, and it worked out perfectly. Comment below, let me know what you think. Here's how the stock tips used to look. Get those out of there.
everybody.